Hey guys, not doing that. Yeah, and welcome to my channel. Baby, let's get straight to it. So in this video, I will be doing my Valentine set up, but instead of using my arches that I normally use or always use, I'm using my wood backdrop, y'all. Like how you could see the arches in the video. It is the cover. It's the cover. Maybe it's not thick enough. Maybe it's Maybelline. I don't know, but I'm using what I got. But I do have a wood backdrop and I'm using it for the first time. It's not that I hate using it. It's just like, why you gotta be so heavy? Okay? Why you gotta be so heavy? So that's why I avoid or dislike using it, should I say. So here we are. This thing is big on my soul. On the dead homies. Jesus. I have these. It's a collapsible backdrop. So, girl, boo. So I purchased this one and favor wall. It broke, y'all. It broke. Literally, it broke. I gotta fix that. I paid $300 for both of them though. But golly, I'm sorry. Ah! Ta-da! Y'all, it looks like it's not sent up straight to me. So I was going to add a piece of wood to the bottom of it. Why am I talking so slow? I don't know, girl. Come on, keep up. But this is it, y'all. Oh, and before y'all ask, like the thousands of y'all be in my comments asking, get into it. Get into it. Get into it. Everything came from Amazon. This vinyl that I will be using is from Amazon. Party Woo. And I got some red heart balloons as well. I probably had some in my garage, but did I feel like going through everything? No. I was already on Amazon, so I might as well go ahead and get it. Girl mouth. Come on. That was really cute. So y'all, this was the original design. I think I'm just gonna do Valentine 2025 like I was supposed to. And then put some hearts over there still. Girl, do what you can do, okay? Okay. 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 We got it. Hey, this is what I cut out. You will see. But to get it this big, you know, Cricut don't cut this big. So I had to divide it up into two different cuts. And this is how I got it. And I hope it's right because I don't have any more black vinyl. I could have made it bigger. Let me see. Okay. I probably should have made it a little thicker. What y'all think? That look a little crooked. My roulette. Oh, girl, this is way off, friend. Not time. What the hell is you doing? Okay. Instead of pressing it on like a goofy and it not being right, I'm just pressing the corners of it, you know. Friend, I think this is gonna be it for real. Oh, so with my metal arches with the covers, this vinyl would not stick. So the Cricut vinyl will stick, but like any other vinyl that I purchased would not stick. So I did have to use the adhesive spray to attach it or put it on. 10 years later. It look a little crooked. What y'all think? Okay, it's gonna stay. Come on. I might just cut vinyl out altogether, baby. Who? Not me. I'm about to do the hearts now. Hearts, I'm just going to peel and stick. I'm not doing all of that, okay? I've been through enough. put this one right there. Crazy. Finally, the balloons. I blew some clusters up, so now I will start building my garland. Let's go. These clips from Dollar Tree. High, but I don't know how high. And this is just my little bin I keep everything in. Not everything, but balloon related stuff. I'm going to take a clear 260 and attach it. I have to go and blow up more clusters. I do 6 balloons in one cluster and then 4 in other clusters. So the ones with 6 I put at the bottom and the ones with 4 I put towards the top. I don't know, it's just one pack of balloons already, y'all. I'm about to start filling this other side in. And when you see me doing this, I'm trying to set the balloons so like it won't stretch as much. So I'm trying to place them or sit them where they naturally fit, if that makes sense. I don't know, but that's what I'm doing.